In this video, I'll show you how to crop your video in CapCut. So let's get started right away. So the first step is to start a new project, then select the video you want to import in CapCut. In my case, it will be this one. Press Add. And from here, you're going to select your video by tapping on it. And down below, you should simply drag this menu like this until you see transform. Once you're in this menu, you're going to see a few options down below. You should select crop. And here we have multiple options. The first one is custom. Custom means you can simply drag these corners and do it manually. You see, you can then place the video the way you want. You also have 9:16. So if you intend to publish your video on TikTok or make a YouTube short, this is the option you need to select, 9:16. And once you see this, you can pinch to zoom in, pinch to zoom out. You can also move around in your frame depending what you want to show. Okay, so I'll probably leave it like this. But you also have different options like 16:9 if you intend to do a YouTube video, not a YouTube short. This is the format that most people will use. And then we have other options that are not very common, like a square, 4:3, or 2:1. So in my case, as I said, I'll leave it 9:16 because I want to do a TikTok, let's say. I'll place her face right in the middle like this. And when you're done, you're going to press on the check mark. And by the way, if let's say you end up like this and you don't like it, you just need to press the reset button over here and you'll go back to the beginning, how the video was originally. So you can then go back and try again. I'll press the check mark and my video is now cropped. You can press play to see if this is what you want, and when you're done, press the small button on the top right corner to export your video. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.